Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video of our mini Python project. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a simple Python code that counts the number of words in a given string. So let's say you're writing for a blog, or you're writing an essay with a lot of words, or you just want to take a blog post and check how many words are in it. This code could be of help. So there are so many ways to build this project using Django or whatever framework you want to use, or graphical user interface, but this is just a simple code to illustrate this. So before we proceed, I also want to talk about the text editor I'm using. I'm using the Atom text editor and the Windows command prompt as my console, and I've navigated to a directory where I have this Python project. So you can use PyCharm, is a good text editor for Python developers. You can use VS Code or any text editor of your choice, but here I'm going to use the Atom text editor. So let's dive in and code. The first thing I want to do is to define a function. We'll call this function word count. So we call this function, we say word count. And this function is going to take a parameter string. Now inside this function, we're going to do our coding. So let's define a variable called words. And let's set this words equal to, we set this word equals to string dot split. So it's going to split each word. It's going to split the string into words. So let's return the length of words. So here we define a variable called words, and we say it equals to string this parameter here dot split, and we return the length of the words. So outside this function, we're going to define another variable, and we'll call this variable text, and we set it equal to an input. So here we're going to prompt the user to input the words they want to count. So we can just inside the string we'll say type in your text here. So let's just do that. Type in your text here. Let's just give a space, and then next thing we're going to do is to print this out to the console. So let's do a print statement. And inside the string, we're going to specify something. We're going to say the total amount of word is. So let's do that. Let's see. The total amount of words is. And we'll put a comma. And now we're going to call this word count function. We're going to say word count, and inside this word count is going to take a text. So this text, which we prompt the user to input the text. So this code is done now. We define the function here, and we'll define a variable here, say the string the split, and return the length of the words. And we ask the user to input the text here, and we printed that out to the console. So let's go and check this out. So let's go here, and the name of it, we say Python, and the name of this file is word count.py, and you see it says type in your text here. So let's say hello world, you are great. Oh, forgive my spelling. It says the total amount of words is 5. So here you can see it counted each words here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can automatically count any large words or any sort of a thing. But before we do that, I want to refactor this code. So let's go here and put a line break. So let's do /n and /n, and here we'll do same thing, and let's save this. So let's go again and say hello world. So we give a space, you put your text here and say total amount of words is 2. So let's do this. Let's try a blog post or something. Let's see if you can count a large amount of words. So let's go to a blog and just copy the blog post and paste. So the blog I want to go to is a car blog post, Oh My Wheels. So let's just go there and copy a blog post. So let's just navigate there. You see ohmywheels.com, and we'll just hit enter, and here, so you can see this is a car blog post. So we can just select any of these. So let me just navigate to, okay, let me go to news and electric cars. Okay, then let's select on this one, and here you can see the blog post here. So let's just copy any of these and paste it in our code. So let's go with this one here and Ctrl C, and let's head over to the console. So let's run our file again, and we say python word count.py, and let's hit enter. You see, type in your text here, and let's do a Ctrl V, and you can see the text will copy from the blog. So this is a car blog post. So when you hit enter, it says total amount of word is 102. So you've seen how this works. This will count any amount of words you want. You just have to copy it and paste it here, or you can just type that manually. Alright then, here the word count function takes a string as an input. It splits it into words using the split method, and then it returns the length of the function. So this basically returns the length of the words in that given string. So we have to note that the \n characters in the input and the print statement are used to add line breaks for readability. So we added this \n here in order to give us space here. So you can see there is space here and there is space here. So that's the line break character function. So yeah guys, this is a basic way to build a word counter, and you can practice this, and there are a lot of ways to do this. I've said that before. We can use a lot of programming language, JavaScript, we can use Django framework or anything to build it, and there are also graphical user interface for that. So but this is just a basic and simple code for this. So thank you very much. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.